Welcome to Online2Study. Nice to see you here. This IT training video to teach you about how to use our platform. Before keying in the platform address, Chrome is the priority browser for this platform, but of course, Edge or Firefox is also permitted. Please key in your username and password what should be provided by us when you log in. After login, you will be directly in class page. In this page, it's showed course name, class code, session duration, the class start time and date in your local time zone. When the class is started, you can click Enter Class to join the class. If you're teacher, you have to click Join as Teacher. Before starting, you can confirm your device. Camera, microphone, and speaker are working. When everything works well, you can click Join to enter. When teacher and student are in the class, if it's single student or two students, please click finger icon to drag the student from top to the side. If it's more than two students, please drag the student to the side when this student is speaking. Close to finger icon, there is a star icon. It's reward when the students answer correctly or do well in the class. Under finger icon and star icon, it's microphone and camera icon to control the students. On this side, there are teaching tools. The first one, which is showed as T, teacher can click it and type in the board, holding on the circle to move the text to anywhere teacher wants. After teacher is sure about typing, click Tick to confirm. The second one, which is showed as Pen, teacher can draw, underline, or write in the board after clicking. Under Pen icon, it's Marker. Teacher can color or highlight some important content of the materials. After that, it's a circle with number inside. Click it, and there are many colors for teacher to choose. Those colors can be used in the figures of typing, pen, and marker. Now you can see a vertical line which has a small circle in the button. Teacher can rise or drop the circle to change the size of words in typing or the fineness of line in pen and marker. The last one is an eraser icon. Click the eraser and move to the board. Teacher can choose anything which teacher wants to clear. But if teacher clicks the first cross after click eraser, all the information what teacher has done in the board are cleared. If teacher clicks the second cross after click eraser, all the information what students have done in the board are cleared. Look at the bottom of the board. There are three icons. In the middle, it showed 1x. It's zoom icon. Click it and choose the number what teacher wants to zoom the materials to big or small. On the right side of zoom icon, it's moving icon. Click it to orange. Teacher can move the materials in the board. If teacher wants the materials back to original, teacher can click the icon on the left of zoom icon. It's called restoration icon. On the left side of the board, the first one, when it's turned to orange, it will show the name of people who wrote on the board. The second one, which looks like I, is turned to orange. It will show the activities what teacher has done in the board. When this icon is turned to gray by clicking, what teacher or students have done in the board will be hidden. The last is lock icon. When teacher click this icon to orange, the students' writing tools will be locked. This feature can be used when students draw mess in the board without controlling. In the button of this classroom from the left to right. The first one is light. It's called low connection icon. Teacher can turn it on by click it to orange when teacher doesn't have stable internet. After clicking, it will be showed in the window. Please click OK to confirm. After turning on light, the student's video will be turned off in teacher's side. It will help teacher to expand internet bandwidth in order to make the class smooth. The third icon is book icon. Teacher will see and choose the correct materials to teach in the class by clicking this icon. After clicking correct materials, teacher can click forward arrowhead to go to next slide. Sometimes teacher also can click backward arrowhead to go back to review some slides. After finishing the slide, teacher can tick square here. The next icon, it's called Whiteboard. Teacher can use Whiteboard by clicking this icon if teacher wants to explain more or extend some knowledge in the class. Teacher's microphone and camera are controlled by microphone icon and camera icon. Orange means turning on. White means turning off. The next icon, it's Share Screen icon. Teacher can use this icon to share some pictures, video, documents, or some materials which are not in the classroom. When teacher clicks this icon, it will show a window. Teacher has to choose whether share Chrome tab or window. If teacher wants to share something in Chrome tab, teacher should choose the tab which teacher wants to share. If teacher wants to share video or audio, please make sure this voice icon is turned on. If teacher wants to share something in the device, teacher can click Window and choose the correct content what teacher wants to share. After that, teacher click Share whatever any contents teacher wants to share. In the right corner, it's Chat box. Teacher can click Public to chat. All the messages, whatever teachers or students send, will be seen by everyone in the classroom. If teacher clicks Executive, teacher will only chat with the admin in the classroom. Students or any others can't see it. When teacher finishes the class, teacher should mark the materials what teacher has taught in the class by ticking in the square, and click Save and Leave to leave the class. If teacher doesn't finish the class yet, teacher lefts the classes because of IT issues. Reviewing materials or some other issues, teacher can click Leaving without saving. After leaving the class, teacher could click Complete to write the feedback in the platform. The feedback should be completed in 48 hours after the class end. If it's demo class, please complete the feedback in 8 hours after it's finished. This is the format of the feedback. Please follow. Here is our online classroom rules. 1. Device check. Ensure your computer's microphone, and camera are working. Choose a quiet space to log in and start the class. 2. Review materials. Carefully review the materials at least 30 minutes before the class starts. 3. Enter the class on time. Teachers should enter the class before 2 to 3 minutes earlier than start time of the classes. Teachers could enter the class 24 hours to check device if it's fine in the classes. 4. Camera and microphone. The teacher must keep the camera and microphone on throughout the class. 5. Stick to the materials. Teach the prescribed materials. If there's extra time, expand knowledge through games. 6. Save and feedback. Remember to save the lesson when leaving the class and provide feedback after the session. Thank you for your attention. Hope to see you soon.